Today is show day, or meet day. Dang, you already knew.
Yeah, dude. Just like I heard you like down the street already.
Before we head out for the meet, I need to actually just wipe my car down a little bit more and wax it, and then we'll be good. Oh, and I gotta get the 85. Don't forget, if I don't get the 85, I'll be screwed. What is this stuff here?
Everything waterless wash and wax, man.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So we washed it last night, but there's a couple spots that I just want to, wipe off and stuff. Now she is super shiny, and we are ready to go. I love this color paint. It's like, I don't know, I don't see it very often, and it looks so good. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
The 85 time. All right, we have wallets, keys, batteries, Ronin.
Water.
Do you have water?
Stay hydrated.
Okay, we're good and ready to go. The pump of life, Sean. Right here. Set. Gonna fill up with a couple gallons of 91 and then rest the tank 85. Ready to go?
Ready, man.
Yep. All right. It is now time to head down to Huntington Beach.
We're on Huntington Beach right now. Where you guys at?
We made it. I didn't film coming into the meet just because there's like tons of traffic and stuff. We made it to the meet and parked up. We got me, Sean's NSX,
Yep.
and then Sean's boys over here. I actually filmed this not too long ago. You guys remember in a couple vlogs back. And then we've got sick NSX.
Yeah, it's really good.
Very good turnout. We're gonna go walk around and check some stuff out. I'm not gonna do the Still 80 front end, but it is really sick. Look who it is. Oh, hey Chach, at the tape. Dudes,
Yeah. What's up, dude? Kevin.
What's up? What's up, man?
What's up, bro, Brian?
Nice to meet you guys.
Roger, again.
These guys actually run this meet, dude.
Yeah,
Killer,
yeah.
killer
Another
meet,
couple.
guys. Ooh.
Really nice.
Shout out for the vlog.
Shout out to the vlog, subscribe, like, comment, everything.
Nice to meet you guys.
It's all lit.
Appreciate it. Subscribers know this is the sweatshirt, dude. What's the Instagram? That Instagram?
Drew.st1.
Hey, that's what's up, dude. Nice to meet you. I appreciate it.
Are you
Let me
serious?
just see what this is.
I asked you if you wanted one.
Thanks, dude. I'll just be over here. You guys don't worry about it. You guys remember this in my vlog. I got so much hate for this, for saying that this was, what did I say it was? Like an R33?
I think it's a GTR conversion with, wait,
R33.
it has R33 GTR tail lights.
I was so confused, but this is actually the owner of the car. So what is it? Tell everybody.
It's actually like a ER34, so it's a R34 sedan.
There we go.
And they're like famous in the drift world. So
Oh, sick.
Kendall Morris is a D1 driver for Blitz, and he drives a ER34.
See, now you know things. This is why we know things. Thanks, dude. Nice to meet you finally.
You too, bro. Oh, add me on Instagram, Mr_Enrico83.
This dog is cute.
Put a beanie on it.
Tiana, do you?
I need it in my life.
Did you see how shitty that Supra was?
I know, it's so garbage.
But on the real though, this car really is sick. This is the one at TJ's garage that did like the backfires and stuff. It was so gnarly. Lots of good spots out here because we're right on the beach in Huntington. It's awesome. It's really good. Tiana really likes the
This is amazing.
You would say
black. No.
Tiana,
I like yours.
let's reevaluate this.
No, we're back at the drawing board and I don't like it.
No?
No, yours.
If I had to change the color of my wheels, I was gonna go with this. Polished bronze with the matte bronze face.
It's nice on this car, but not on it. Yours is black. I like it on this, not on yours.
All right. All right. It's the 240 gang. Hopefully it'll be me if the car ever starts to run. What up, Tyler? How you been? What up, dude? How are you? The car came out great, dude. Looks really good.
What's up, man?
Hey, plug the channel. Plug the channel.
You guys can follow me at Tyler Cordura. That's just my channel. Yeah.
This is the guy that shoots huge flames out of the back of his
I'll see you guys soon, dude. I'll probably come out to San Diego sometime soon.
Gonna get Tyler's to help me get the wheels rebuilt, or the equips for the 240 rebuilt. So
I sure will.
that's my boy. All right, dude. See ya. Absolutely killing it over here. I follow all these guys on Instagram, and like these are the nicest WRXs. Like my inspiration for my car comes from all of these cars right here. So sick. Killing it.
What's up, man? You
Killing
want to talk to Mickey?
Yeah, I can't know. So yeah.
Car looks amazing, dude.
Your car looks. What if you? Dude, all of these cars. Do what?
You're gonna get bags?
Of course.
Yeah?
Boy.
Right there.
Of course.
Right there.
But dude, like, the cookie is really good.
What up?
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, dudes?
How you guys doing?
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Yep, you get fist bump too.
What's going on?
Okay. My boy Sean.
What up, though?
Made us, we moved to get like a better view of the sunset and stuff.
Yeah, dude, we're out here. Look at that over there, the trio. Let's go, let's take a walk.
Oh, I see this thing all the time. So nice.
good time, man.
Goodbye. Thanks for coming.
Drive safe, guys.
See you later.
Later.
Ooh, got some Subis parked up. Look at these bros. Bros. Instagrams.
WRX_culture_life.
Got on anybody else Instagrams?
Follow Dab Squad at d.d.a.b_squad. Follow us.
Okay, goodbye. Nice to meet you guys. Bye, Sean.
Bye, guys.
Have fun.